Hey, hello, welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to show you what's called Rokitta's Rostschreck, which is something my mom always brings me from Germany. And first thing, I'm unboxing it and show you the rust deterrent. And what the rust deterrent actually does, it's a piece of metal. I guess it's magnetic, and it's kind of catching all the rust, or making sure that it's catching the rust from all your silverware while it's in your dishwasher. I'm not sure if you can buy that also in the USA, but my mom, as I said, always brings it over from Germany when she visits me. And I have the feeling that the silverware looks better since I used that, but I am not sure if that's scientifically proven or not, or if it's just in my mind and if it's a hoax. But I thought, since I have that device and I've never seen that here or that unit in the US, I just thought I'd make a video and share that with my viewers here in the USA. Maybe it's interesting for you, and maybe somebody has some comments if it's really working or if it's a hoax. I don't know. It's actually from a developed in a German TV show. Like, the format is like, I guess it's Shark Tank here in the USA. And in Germany, the show is called The Lion's Den. And so where you always have like these young inventors, and they show their latest products, and that's one of these products. Thanks for watching.